Hey guys, out here in the Santa Barbara area and just left one of my favorite places, the Powell-Peralta skateboard store. And right down on the same street, it's actually in Goleta, a suburb of Santa Barbara, is the very original Habit Burger. So they always say it's from Santa Barbara, but it's actually in Goleta. And it's right here on Hollister, 2 blocks west of the freeway. And actually a couple blocks further west is Santa Barbara Airport. So a little hidden gem here. Who doesn't love Habit? It's a great place. All right, I got the famous tempura green beans. All right, very cool place. And you can tell it's not just tourists. There's a lot of locals here that come here still. So if you're in the area, check it out.